This video provides a quick overview of how to bend Raex steels. This is Gustav. He is very particular about his coffee and his work, which is making high-value steel parts. Today, Gustav has a mining equipment customer who needs a very strong steel part with a 90-degree bend. Gustav confirms the plate is at least 20 degrees centigrade, that it has no damage from storage or handling, and that its plasma or laser-cut edges do not need any finishing. Then, Gustav confirms the rolling direction of the plate. Finally, he inspects his tooling. Next, Gustav goes to Raex Smart at raexsteel.com. There, he selects the product type and the steel grade. He then enters the plate thickness, its width, and its length. Next, he scrolls down to see the bending recommendations. Gustav can toggle between transversal and longitudinal bends to see how each approach affects the other parameters, such as punch radius and bending force. He can change the die width to see how that changes the bending force and the spring back. Once Gustav is satisfied with his die parameters, he'll perform the bend. Gustav always uses Raex Smart to confirm his bending parameters. All in all, Gustav can count on Raex high-strength steels for high repeatability and excellent cost efficiency. Raex steel has guaranteed bending properties up to 20mm thickness. Its uniform thickness and properties ensure that spring back will be the same along the entire length of the bend. Gustav uses the Raex Smart application to precisely calculate spring back, which is critical when bending advanced high-strength steels. Go to raexsteel.com. There, you'll find Raex Smart, plus data sheets for all different Raex steel grades. In no time, you'll be bending our hard, strong steel with complete confidence.